Hello everybody, I'm going to be chopping down trees with a power drill, or a power drill, or a
power
saw. I forgot.
Yeah.
And make sure to like and subscribe.
Mystic Elements.
Okay, so I don't really need this on this one. I can just like
And just throw it over. Yep, throw it to the side.
that was easy. Now,
Unfortunately, we don't have safety glasses for him, so we're going to try to take a little bit easy and let this young man show you what he can do. He just tore the whole tree down. That's funny. That is funny.
All right. So, wait, pause it. Okay, so we're going to be chopping down trees. We're going to do this one first.
Now, Mr. Joey, 8 years old, using a sawzall, electric saw to cut down trees. Yep, take the lock off.
Okay. First tree down.
First tree
Technically
down.
second.
Oh.
And I'm an 8-year-old that can use power saws.
Oh.
Okay.
Pick him up some safety glasses. Might have to kick it. There you go.
Third.
Yes, indeed. Doing what we got to do. Got
Yep.
Mr. Joey out here knocking it down. Love to see the young kids do stuff outside. There you go, there you go.
Yeah.
What I'm talking about.
Okay. Another one.
Supposed to yell out timber. All right, everybody, I'm gonna get this set up while this young man worked on trees, and I think I'm gonna grab a saw and get busy as well. Let's get some of this stuff knocked out. Leave it in your area. Go grab me a saw and get busy.
Yep. And this video will not be edited.
We are not going to edit. Good job, Joey.
Everything I'm doing is real, and everything he's doing is real too. So, don't think I can't do this stuff.